How to reactivate Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily reactivate your Instagram account. If you have disabled it, you don't have to do anything. What you have to do is just open your Instagram and then you just have to enter in your username and password and log in. First, type in the correct username and then type in the correct password. However, if it's been long and you don't remember a password, then just click on forget password and then you'll get a code on your email or your phone number associated with their account and then you can log in. Once you've entered the credentials, just hit the login button. And if everything is correct, your Instagram account will be automatically reactivated. There you go. Now you have successfully reactivated your Instagram account that was deactivated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more contents like this.